Hi, Fabian. I wanted to just record a quick video for you in order to give you a walkthrough of Temas para Español B. Once we log in, I know this is kind of small here, you will see your landing page. You always know how many students are enrolled in your course, what your next due date is. You've clearly assigned some activities, which is great. You're going to be working for the most part in content, where you'll find all of the activities. You'll see down the left-hand side of the page, there are all of the strands of one particular chapter. In this case, Unidad Dos, are laid out, and for each strand, you have activities, and we have a clear system of iconography. If an activity has a mouse icon, it means it is replicated from the book. If it has an apple icon, it means it's an instructor-graded activity. If you see this pair icon, it means it's a partner chat. This activity can be assigned outside of class for students to complete a conversation, record it, and then submit it to you. It includes both audio and video. The video camera icon means that it's a video or a short film. And then you have the pen icon, which means it's a composition activity. So you can peruse through any of these strands to check out the activities. You can also look at your resources, which are all of your instructor resources. The content can be downloaded to your computer. You can also add your own resources as well. Then we have our calendar, which when you assign activities, those activities will appear on your assignment calendar. And we calculate the approximate time that it will take students to do these particular activities. This can be turned on or off, but we feel that it helps students with their time management skills. And then, of course, you have your gradebook, which also serves as your roster. And once students complete activities, their grades will be recorded by unit and by cumulative grade as well. You'll always see that cumulative grade. You can kind of slice and dice this any which way. Again, this serves as your roster. You can also become a sample student in your course, and I will do that for you here quickly in your trial section. You can, you've already done that. You've already, let's see, log in as sample student. It looks like you have already done that. So that is a quick walkthrough. Any other questions? I'm just going to go ahead and do this for you. Let's see here. Now we are logged in as a sample student here. Thanks for your time. Any other questions? Please don't hesitate to contact me.